Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add a watermark to your YouTube channel, to your videos. I will show you how to do it, so you may like, subscribe, share to others, and let's go. So what you need to do is go to customize channel here, and later you click on the basic info. Okay. And you click on the branding, and here you have video watermark, and now you may change, add, remove. Okay, so change, add, and you choose a watermark which you need. You may customize video watermark where it has been localized, and you click on the done, and later on publish, and you did it. And you also have option as display time. You may set on entire video, end of video, or custom start time. Yes, and when you did it, you click on publish, and that's all. So thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe for help, share to others, write a comment, and I invite you on my other playlist on channel. Bye.